This is Tim Phillips. I'm chair of the Law Department Management Network, and I wanted to quickly introduce the topic we have coming up on Wednesday, May the 8th at 1 p.m. Marissa, Frek, and I are going to give you again our version of business communications boot camp. And it's communication skills, if you don't already know it, are essential for today's lawyer in-house particularly. And the ability to communicate with your business is a skill set that you have to train for. And as Marissa knows, part of my professional development involved my work with the SEAL teams. And what we used to say is that we train like we fight, so that we'll fight like we train. And that's why this is such an important skill set to train on.
Thanks, Tim. Exactly. Being able to train your communications muscles and learn how to use them effectively is one of the greatest skills that we as in-house attorneys or any attorneys can have when we're communicating with our business partners. For example, did you know that 50% of your brain is involved in visual processing? And when you actually give presentations to others, a full 80% of their memories are developed based on what they see. So as an attorney with an arts background, I'm going to try to help you learn how to add additional visual presentation skills into your PowerPoints. So Tim, do you have anything else you want to add?
Oh yeah, like I said, but wait, there's more. So listen, Wednesday, May the 8th, 1 o'clock Eastern, come join us for this instructive presentation, and make sure you're registered, because what you do is you get an opportunity to win a $50 Starbucks gift card. And that's with every legal quick hit that we do on a monthly basis. But wait, there's more. We're also offering an opportunity for you to win a $300 Amazon gift card. And that's by joining and getting the code that you need to continue in what we're calling our resource roundup as we head into this year's annual meeting. So be sure to join us again, Wednesday, May the 8th at 1 p.m. Eastern, and lace up your boots, because we're going to train hard.
Have you heard about the Resource Roundup game? You can win a $300 Amazon gift card by simply doing the things you already do. Join this month's Legal Quick Hit to find out the keyword. Then text that keyword to 474747 to be entered to win the LDM member to collect the most codes by attending the monthly meetings, attending webinars, consuming all that great content, and participating in e-group and social media messages will win $300. The contest is April 1st through September 30th. If you have any questions, please contact any LDM leadership team member.